Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial video on how to use the OI Server's auto build feature for Galaxy I/O using the ControlLogic's L5X tag database file. Now, what is the auto build feature and why is it relevant? Auto build is an engineering efficiency feature that allows you to read the templates and instances in the controllers capable of running the auto build feature. You can also replicate these structures to the Wonderware application server using a set of simple steps that allows a one-to-one relationship between the PLC and a Galaxy project. Auto build can be used to browse and retrieve the tag structures in the PLC online if connected to the PLC, or offline if the PLC file is available. Now, here are some basic steps. First, we're going to create a new Galaxy. Second, we're going to configure the ABCIP module in the Operations Integration Server. And then third, we're going to import the L5X file and configure the Auto Build feature tab. And finally, we're going to verify the new instances in the Galaxy. Now let's begin. Let's begin the process by creating a new Galaxy. I'm going to call my new Galaxy auto build underscore demo. Once the new Galaxy has been created, we'll just simply close the dialog box and connect. Now that we're inside of the IDE, we'll take a look at the template toolbox and we'll verify that we have the default templates that come with the latest version of 2017, and I'm using the default cab. And we'll take a look at our areas. Okay, we have our areas here. We have our default area and there's nothing in there. Now we have two different options. We can use the auto build feature to create instances that tie back to our PLC, or we can do it manually. So in this case, we're going to do it automatically using the auto build feature. So we'll just simply minimize the IDE, open up the Systems Management Console, and specifically go to the Operations Integration Server. Ensure that the ABCIP module is installed. And now let's start building our structure. I'm going to add a port CIP object, and I'm just going to simply just walk the tree. Okay, there's no more structures to include. And I'm going to go over here to device groups, and I'm going to add a new device group. And for this demonstration, I'm just going to keep it at topic_0. I will save it. And now I'm going to go to the new tab, which is Auto Build. Now this tab is available if you have the Operations Integration servers installed and you have a professional license. So we're going to do this in offline mode, and I'm going to browse to my L5X file. Select it. It recognizes it. And now under the destination, we're going to select the Galaxy that we created. In this case, auto build underscore demo. We're also going to select the device group. And under prefix, we're just going to go with the default there, which is nothing. If we have multiple PLCs, we may want to add a prefix, but in this case, we don't. And just click on this arrow to indicate next. This warning comes up if we have a pre-existing Galaxy. If we have conflicting templates or instances, you will see any warnings here. And in this case, since it's a new Galaxy, we don't have to worry about that. Just click on the arrow indicating next. And these are the templates that we've found based on our file. And I'm going to select each one. By selecting the name, it'll let you know exactly what we will be importing into our Galaxy. And as you can see, these are arrays, and these are just simply regular integer tags. And we just simply go to next once we've selected our templates. Here we can review what we're going to bring in, and we're going to simply click this arrow again for next. And let's start the build process. Now, depending on how many tags you're going to import in, it may take a short while or a long while. Now, once the build is completed, we just simply select OK, and we can minimize this. And now let's move back to our IDE. Open up the IDE, and if we expand our plant area, we see that we have a new area called auto build _001, and we have a new device integration object. And underneath the auto build, we see that we have some new instances that has been automatically created. Now let's take a look at the I/O. We'll open up the I/O devices view, and we'll take a look at the I/O device mapping. Under the new I/O devices view, we can see that we have the auto build device integration object, and by just clicking on it, we can see that the instances have already been automatically populated with the correct I/O reference that maps back to the PLC. Over here you can also see underneath the particular topic _0 that I created, we also see the individual instances, and we can look at the individual I/O references per instance. That concludes this video on how to use the I/O auto build feature with the new operations integration servers. Thank you.